Hey everyone, I am here at Universal Studios Hollywood to check out the newly announced Jupiter's Claim set that is from the movie Nope that will be in theaters July 22nd. And also, there's a new Super Nintendo store that opened across the way from Feature Presentation where the current Super Nintendo World store stands now. And we're also going to give you some Halloween Horror Nights updates. And with that, let's get right into the video. So right at the entrance of Universal Studios Hollywood, you have the statue, Guest Relations, Hollywood Photoland. To the left is Universal Studios Store, where they have the new mini shop open that connects with the rest of the Universal Studios Store. Here's the little photo op outside of the Universal Studios Store, and you can take a picture and make it look like you're hitting a block. I'll show you a picture of me doing it right now. And then inside the store, it's just like the Feature Presentation Super Mario World or Super Nintendo World store. Same merchandise and everything. Nothing noticeably different than the other stores. You have your pins, you have your chocolate, your plush, t-shirts, hats. I love the music. You have the Mario flag that you get at the end of every land or world, and just question blocks, stars, bricks, just things floating in the sky for you to hit. And then over here you have two of the big green pipes that Mario and friends go down to get to the dungeon or wherever they want to go. So they have this beautiful trim around the entrance of the store with Bullet Bill, the flag on top of the castle, the bricks, Piranha Plant, Boo, Star, Goombas. Very cute detail. I really like it. The lighting is very weird in the Feature Presentation store. But the only difference I could see from this store and the Universal Studios store is they have these toy sets that you could get for Super Mario. So Universal Studios Hollywood just recently announced that Jupiter's Claim from Jordan Peele's Nope will be a part of the world famous studio tour. And look at that giant inflatable, I'm gonna say he's Jupiter, that's Jupiter, but that thing is massive. That is a giant blow up. And then you can see green chairs on top of the destroyed structure towards the end of nearest towards me on the roof. So this is the exact set that was in the movie Nope. So they broke it down and they brought it over here to the backlot of Universal Studios Hollywood so that we could experience it on the studio tour. You could see the well in front of the sheriff's office and the pig on top of the roof. This looks awesome. And this will be opening July 22nd with the opening day of Nope in theaters. So you could come check out this on the studio tour and then go see Nope at the AMC inside City Walk.
This whole thing has been a very strict non-disclosure agreement. So you're seeing here on the right-hand side of this Western set, the beginning says Jupiter's Claim, right? Does that look familiar to anybody? It honestly shouldn't, because this movie is not even out yet, okay? This movie is called Nope. N-O-P-E. Nope. Written, produced, and directed by Jordan Peele. This is the original set from the film. The last day of production on that movie, they disassembled it, brought it here to the lot, and they reassembled it. This will be a part of the studio tour effective July 22nd, the same day that the movie is released into theaters. So we wanted to have a means of paying homage to Jordan Peele. because his work is so specific and so interesting, and it's so
Stage
acclaimed,
lasso
so we want to make sure that we
experience.
had something that was specific to him on the tour. So we've got work by Alfred Hitchcock with the Psycho House, right? Then we've got The War of the Worlds by Steven Spielberg, and now we have Jordan Peele, so it's pretty cool. So make sure you guys come back on the 22nd.
This might be more serious than I thought.
So we're back at the Curious George 1 maze, where they added a new prop to the right of the house, and it has a few characteristics of what looks to be a scarecrow. We still don't know what the maze is, but to the right it looks like a scarecrow has been added and is still covered up. The Smith's Piano Service truck still has the same name, but hopefully that will get a name change soon. But the facade looks wonderful. Announce it, please announce it. Can't see much of the Parisian Courtyard maze, just the top of the walls and the beams, but just all painted black from what I could see. Not much detail has been added to Universal Monsters Legends Collide, still about the same thing.
And before Superstore,
Here we have a look at the maze behind stage 28.
Now, Mindy Kaling has been working a lot with
All
us here at
walls
NBC
are now
Universal.
painted
In fact,
black.
She's the creator of a show that's on Netflix.
Some really
that is
big
NBC
sets in
produced.
there.
It's called Never Have I Ever. And they've been filming in these stages here on our right-hand side, specifically numbers 41, 42, and 43.
Going for a different angle, you could see to the right of the pyramids 2 piranha plants. One is uncovered, one is still covered. You have Bowser's Castle. You could kind of see the thwomp on Mount Beanpole, but nothing much past that. Here's another view of Super Nintendo World. You can see the thwomp a lot better up against Mount Beanpole. You can see the back of the uncovered piranha plant as well as the covered piranha plant. And then a lot has been added to the entrance so far, just no fabrication onto the grain tunnel as of yet. Here is more construction from The Horrors of Blumhouse, featuring Freaky and the Black Phone. It's going to be hard to see what this maze will look like inside. I'm not saying we will be able to see anything. It looks like all the walls are painted black. And just need to get the facade work next. Can't make out what the facade is, but they are doing some work on it, adding some wood beams down the way. Really interested to see what this facade is going to be. Here's a little bit more work of the facade. It looks like those lace garden, I don't know what it is, but I think it's just a framing right now. So the railing, the wood railing that is on the porch is still brown. I don't know if it's going to stay like that or if they're going to be painting it. And then you could see with the rotting wall with the wood, it looks like they had some detailing and some, I can't figure out what the word is called right now, but it looks like the wood is rotting. They're putting in the touches to make it look authentic and worn down, so on and so forth, but it's looking really good. Trying to see in the maze right there, because it looks like you can see some props. Don't know what it is. Maybe one one of the bedrooms. Where is the
just
front?
do not sit in the green seats, okay? All the food in the park is amazing. You can't go wrong. But if you have the 3 broomsticks, which is in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, that is the #1 bed.